The RTX 4070 and 13100 are a great combo, so unless you have built a PC with both of them, your opinion of the CPU bottlenecking the GPU are irrelevant, because I have done 2 builds with both of these and it has been fine at 1440p and 4K. Yes, at 1080p, this would be a stupid choice to pair together, but the 40 series cards are not 1080p cards, so why would you buy a card twice the price of a 30 or 20 series card to play games at 1080p? There's no way to avoid bottlenecks, and when I build a PC for somebody else that has a set budget, you need to factor that in as well. I am not building these computers for myself. I build these for other people. So when I see somebody saying that they have a max budget of $1,250 and is looking to play games at 1440p, and I can build that at $1,150, I am going to do that. So is a GPU bottleneck better? Yes, of course, because swapping a GPU is much easier than swapping a CPU. So if the 4070 was being used 100% and the CPU was being used 85 to 90%, that would be the best case scenario. But not everybody has another $100 to $200, and I build these computers for other people without any labor cost, because I'm very fortunate to have Amazon affiliate, being an influencer, and making money from YouTube to make up for those labor fees that I do not charge. I just felt the need to make this video because there were a ton of different comments in the comments on yesterday's video of opinionated people online saying that this was a horrible combination. And I've not built a computer with both of these to see if it is a good combination for themselves. You can't just search Google to give you information, which is almost never accurate because of all of the factors that go into building a PC. Is the PC overclocked? Is XMP enabled? Is there a good PSU installed? What kind of motherboard was used? Are you using Windows 10 or Windows 11? What kind of cooling is in the computer? Etc. I think you guys get the picture. There's a lot more that comes into play than just a CPU and GPU being paired together. But by all means, feel free to pay another $100 to $200 and get a 13600 if you, for some reason, actually buy a 40 series graphics card to play games at 1080p in 2023. Why would you do that? I'm genuinely curious. The only reason somebody would do that is for streaming, because of the way NVIDIA brought their encoders in their GPUs. Because you got to keep in mind, all these websites and all these other YouTubers that are making videos want to make money. And I am also there. I also want to make money, but I also care much more about being honest. So when these YouTubers say that these cheap parts don't work very well when paired together, and they mention more expensive parts, guess what? Those are affiliate links in their video description and in their comments. And guess what? They make a lot more money when you buy the more expensive stuff. So I'm just saying, brother, make sure you watch people and trust people that are very honest with what they talk about before you go and leave a bunch of stupid comments that are irrelevant because it's some dumb opinion you got from a YouTuber that wants to make more money from you.